Hey guys, thanks for checking out the video. It's another week since my last video. My voice is still screwed up. It's still not back to normal. Just when I thought I was getting better, our 80-degree weather here in Pennsylvania drops back down into the 40s in the middle of freaking almost the end of May. So it's crazy. But anyways, today I'm installing the Torque Solutions pitch mount. So here's the pitch mount itself. The stock one is very spongy, it's very unforgiving, and the motor rocks around a lot with that stock mount. So I upgraded my transmission mounts to the Aluminati solid mounts, as you saw that video, and I can still feel a little sponginess in it, and I'm guessing that's the pitch mount. So I'm going to go ahead and install this bad boy. It's really simple install, so I'm not going to have to talk a whole lot until I do the review. So we're going to pull out our intercooler, pop that out, and then the pitch mount's literally back there held in with two bolts, as you can see. Simple as that. Turn on the neons inside the engine bay to give us a little bit better lighting. There is the pitch mount right in the center screen, as you can see. There's actually a welded nut on the back of this one that looks like a 14, and this is probably a 14 as well, with a nut and a bolt. Holy crap. Maybe it's just the leverage that I have, but that felt way too tight. Almost busted a knuckle. There's this wimpy thing. It's plastic. It's literally just hardened plastic. I did not know that. Old one versus the new one. Now we just put this new one in. Alright guys, that's it. It is in. I'm going to pop the intercooler back in and we'll take it for a drive. So far, first impressions, I think it has added to the sound in the cabin a little bit. Okay, it definitely feels a lot less like rubbery, I guess, would be the word for it. It still does shake though. So polyurethane, pitch stop, solid transmission mounts. The only thing left, it would be the rear diff and engine mounts. Oh man, okay, it does feel better. Okay, it does. It's still. Let me show you. It still does shake the motor a little bit, enough that it fluctuates my RPMs when I do it. But it's nowhere near as bad as it was before. I'd say it's an improvement for sure. I wouldn't say it made a massive difference, but I'm sure it would have had I had my stock transmission mounts. But after doing the transmission mounts, it stiffened things up a lot. So this really didn't add a whole lot to it, but it definitely does feel better. Well, guys, that's going to be it for today's video. I do think it made an improvement, and any improvement's better than no improvement, right? So, thanks for sticking with me with the voice issue and everything. So, I'll see you guys again in the next video. Thanks for watching.